everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to share your Netflix account with your friends. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to share your Netflix account with your friends, follow the steps. Start by clicking open a web browser and go to netflix.com in the search box and search. Log into your Netflix profile and once you are, at the upper right corner of the screen, click on your account image. Now click on Manage Profiles from the expanded menu. Under Manage Profiles, you'll be able to see a button that says Add Profile. Click on it and give in the name of your friend in the text box provided. After you're done, click on Continue and a new profile will be created under your account. That is how it is done. It's pretty simple and quick. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.